Come on, birds. Come on, baby.
Give me some space. Give me some space. Give me some space.
Fly to my hand. Why do you not?
Guys, give me some space. Yo, give me some space.
Come on. Bro, the bird's not coming.
Now just the goat, man.
Yo, bro, why the bird's not coming? What? Nah, bro, you scamming me, bro. Where the birds at? No, birds. I want bird in my hand.
Guys, give us some space. Yo, give us some space. Guys, give us some space. Yo.
Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, yeah. Move, bro. You in the way, bro. Oh, my God. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I got a bird in my hand. I got a bird in my hand. Oh shit. I got a bird in my hand. I got a bird in my hand. Kiss it. No. Got it? What? What?
Marhala ki ko.
Give us some space.
Hey guys.
Makakali.
Guys.
Give us some space. Guys,
What, Brazil?
Speed, can we take photo?
Bro, watch out.
Speed!
I'm the bird whisperer.
Can I have a slide?
Yo, give us some space.
Watch out, bro.
Yo, give us some space.
Birds.
Right now.
Can I have a
Guys,
slide?
give us some space.
Come on, baby. All right, I'm done, bro. They're not coming. No, stop trying to steal my bird.
Go have a question. Speed. I have a question.
Bro, why don't I just give him this? I'm out. Arigato. I mean, thank you.
I have a question, Speed. I have a question.
We out.
Watch out.
Slips, come on.
Can I get a picture?
Virat Kohli better, bro.
Huh? Come on.
Try cannoli, yeah?
See, now all the birds are coming over here now.
Can I have a slide?
Can I have a line?
A slide?
I don't have... What shoes I'm gonna wear?
Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
Nice just to go.
One other to go, but one other to go. I respect one other.
Is that a Liverpool jersey? Oh.